Ooh, that feels nice. Okay. This is the FR Sky version. So it's got some range on it. Double. Did my antenna really just break and fall off? Wow. Yeah, this is everything you get in the NewBeeDrone kit with the lanyard. Oof. Yeah, this thing is very easy to set up. Bind button's right back there. Touch the button while plugging in the battery. I actually set up with the Emax controller. Just hold the two buttons down while it's on, turn it off, unplug it, plug everything back in, and this thing fired right up. Flipped a couple switches, figured out which one was what, and they actually set it up for the Betaflight Light Radio 2, I believe is what it's called, and that is already set up because that's what the guy, I think it's Patrick, uses. So it's all set up for the other one. But yeah, thanks for checking out the video. Any questions, I'll let you know as soon as I figure it out myself.